Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can clip on Twitch. So when you're viewing a video or a stream, over here you will notice beside the theater mode and it's in between the theater mode and the settings mode, this thing called clip, or you can alternately press Alt X on your keyboard. So when you press on this clip, it's going to take you to a whole new page, and once you're in this whole new page, over here you can clip over a minute and 30 seconds. Well, actually just 30 seconds, my bad. You can clip to a minute. So the minimum duration is 5 seconds and the maximum is 1 minute. So after you decide on what you want to clip, just create a title and then press on publish. Now we don't just want to create a clip out of no reason, so we're just going to go to Prod's channel, and over here if we go to videos, over here you can see multiple people that clips, popular clips. These are clips that other people did and posted. So yeah, and their names will also pop up. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.